y'all, what's good? It's your girl Nai. If you're new to this channel, welcome. I'm happy to have you. And to my returning subscribers, hey boo, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm showing you my morning skincare routine. So if you're interested, stay tuned. But first, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video. And now that that's done, let go. So I am starting off with washing my face with the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. It's super gentle, and I am washing my face for 1 minute. Now that that's done, I'm going to rinse my face off with warm water and pat my face dry with a clean paper towel. I'm taking this Pixi Vitamin C Juice Cleanser as my toner just to ensure that the surface of my face is extra clean before applying any product. So now that my face is nice, clean, and toned, I'm using this Milani Glow Oil as my first layer of moisture, because if you don't know, your girl got dry skin and moisture is what I need. While the oil absorbs into my skin, I'm using this Olay Eye Cream to apply under my eyes and also on my eyelids, because your eyes need some TLC as well. So since this is a gel-based, water-based eye cream, I like to pop it in my skincare fridge, and when I apply it under my eyes in the morning, it just feels so good, so refreshing. My under eyes feel super hydrated, and the cooling effect just wakes me up in the morning, and it just feels super good. So I'm applying this Olay Sunscreen on my face, of course, because, you know, gotta protect our skin at all costs. I don't know who said people of color does not need to wear sunscreen, but they lied. This day I wasn't going anywhere, but you know, it's always good to apply some sunscreen just in case you might have to leave the house. So yeah. After the sunscreen is applied, I'm using this lightweight moisturizer that's water-based from L'Oreal, and it just feels so good on my skin. It's super moisturizing, super hydrating, and that is exactly what your girl needs. Can't forget about those lips, honey, okay? So I'm using this Laneige lip balm to apply all over my lips so they can be nice, moisturized, and juicy. And y'all know I love me a good facial spray, so I'm using this facial spray from Olay, and I'm just going ham as usual so I can get that extra moisture that I need. And then I'm going to use my fan to help speed up the drying process. right, y'all, so that is the end of my morning skincare routine. My skin is looking nice, hydrated, moisturized, and glowy. It's pretty basic, but that's okay. I do all of my extraness at night, so if you haven't seen my nighttime skincare routine, definitely check it out. I'll leave it up in the cards up above for you all. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. Smash that like button right now. Also, comment down below what are your favorite products you like to use in the morning for your morning skincare routine, or what are the steps that you take during your morning skincare routine. Let me know. Let's chat. And if you're new to this channel and you haven't subscribed to my channel already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also hit that bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.